have the galley. It's a good working space, and you can always stand and brace yourself no matter which tack you're sailing on. You have a good size stove, a Miele induction cooker in this case, a big good oven that is a combined traditional oven and a microwave oven. You actually have 4 fridges. 2 of them can operate as a freezer or as a fridge, and 2 are always fridges. 2 top opening freezers, 1 top opening fridge and 1 front opening fridge. Here is a charcoal filter for the stove that you can start. That takes the air, cleans it and takes it back into the boat. So you are not depending on getting the air out of the boat, and in that way you avoid to have a water trap that may let some water in if you are sailing in the heavy seas. And you have good handholds here. It's a fiddle and a combined handhold at the same time. So it's always possible to brace yourself, to hold yourself in place even in the seaway. You have lots of lockers everywhere. You have big lockers anywhere you look. Good locker space, good drawer space, and a division like this, and a shopping board like this. And there is also a built-in dishwasher, quite good size. And there are lockers with holes and pegs, so it fits any size of china. So the china keeps in place even when sailing further. And all those lockers have invisible hinges with built-in end stoppers, so it doesn't hit the rest of the boat in that way. And you have built-in ventilation slots as well. And we label every piece of wood that we cut out, so anywhere you look in the boat you see that the grain matches the whole way through.